Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. This is chaotic.allure here, and I am back with another hair video. You know, fall is here, so obviously we gotta pull out the orange, the burgundies, the olive greens, and all of that. And this is the first wig I'm gonna show you guys that is really nice. Okay, for fall. Okay, it's a synthetic wig and it's just gorgeous, and it's orange. Okay, this wig is amazing. I just really like it, and I just hope you guys really like it too. I'm gonna leave all this stuff in the description box. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of this color on me. It's my first time actually trying like an actually orange hair, and I like it. I like how it looks on me, so I know now that I can definitely get this color with human hair. So anyway, I'm just gonna show you guys how I apply this wig, and quickly show you guys how I do a little bit of baby hairs, you know. So today I am doing a wig review from Ready Wigs. Okay, and it is an orange it's an orange bob. So this is the packaging, okay, and it's a synthetic wig, and it's very cute. This is what's in the bag. Well, not bag, the box. It comes with a spray bottle, the wig, a wig cap, like the skin ones, and a card that pretty much tells you more about their company and how to take care of the hair. This is the color of the wig. Let me back up a little bit for you guys to see. It's very beautiful, slick and shiny. And the inside comes with 3 combs, okay, 2 right here, 1 in the middle, and the 4th one is down here. So a total of 4 combs. The amount of lace is, you know, for a synthetic wig is very good. Let me see, with your skin, honestly, I think it's gonna blend in very well. It doesn't come with baby hair. It doesn't come with baby hair. We could easily do that. I'm gonna put this wig on my head and come back. I'm gonna be looking over here because I put a mirror, but my lace is cut. My this wig is nice. So the top part, honestly, since I'm just filming this video for you guys, I'm gonna just glue the sides and leave the top part alone because it's pretty snug. It's just there's like little flyaways on the side, so we're gonna work with that. I want to go for a look that's kind of like this with the hair. Like this. So let's go ahead and do this thing. Taking some GOT2B gel. And I'm just holding it down. And I'm gonna take some of the spray just to kind of, you know, look at this. This is beautiful, y'all. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm taking the GOT2B spray. I know it's not really like necessary to use the GOT2B and the gel, the spray together with the gel, but I just wanted it to kind of dry quicker. I'm taking this GOT2B spray. I'm just gonna spray it on my fingers and go around the perimeter. Cause look, right when I put it, the white lines just go away. And I'm just gonna keep doing that. So I'm gonna just do a little tiny bit of baby hairs, not a lot, just a little bit. Let's see, we're doing like this. Yeah, that's enough. Some GOT2B. And look, okay, this is just all I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put two little baby hairs right here, just so that it looks a little bit more, you know, natural. Okay, so I'm gonna go and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna talk to you guys more about this hair. But look at this. This is nice. This is lovely. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I just finished doing my baby hairs and they look like this. I didn't really spend much time on them because this is just a quick video, but as you guys can see, the wig looks gorgeous. So I'm taking this brush right after my baby hairs and I'm just brushing and brushing and separating it because I want to go for a look that is like this. So let's get into this nice wig. So what I want to say about this wig was literally ready to go. Hold on, there's my like hair everywhere. Okay, this wig was literally ready to go. Like, their name is not Ready Wigs for no reason. Like, I took it out the package, the box, whatever. The lace, amazing. Cut it. You could literally wear this without baby hair. You don't have to. I just wanted to be a little extra in the video to kind of show you guys how it would look with and without, kind of. So this hair is just nice. Like, I can literally do whatever. I'm looking down because I have so much glue in my hand right now. Using the spray is nice and all, but yeah. Ugh, God, it's not coming off. Okay. So I really like this. I like this color. I like everything. So let's see. I don't know. So this wig, I think I'm gonna just say it off the top of my head, but I will leave everything in the description box. The shipping for this hair took me literally 1 day. Okay, I don't know if it's because I was kind of close to them or what, I don't know, but what I want to say pretty much is that shipping was quick as like quick. And this wig, it's a nice like orange, copper, whatever. Fall is here, so you know, pull out all your orange hairs, your burgundy hairs, and all of that, and it's rock it. Just rock it. Yeah, so I really like this wig. It is synthetic, sadly, but you know, it's fairly like good. Like, it's a fairly good wig. It's fairly good. If you're a broke college student, a broke anybody, you can literally just get in the season with this hair. I look good with it. I don't know, you guys, I look good with orange. Wow. I need to stop looking over there, but yeah. Trimming was quick. It's synthetic, so I don't really have much to say, as like it's not gonna last you as long as a human hair. What is this? Yeah, so it's synthetic, so it's not gonna last you as long as a human hair would, but it's pretty affordable, okay? And it's so like soft, and you can just run your hands, like fingers, whatever, through it and no problem. So the wig cap was pretty like it fit me snug. I don't know if I'm towards, I think I'm towards like a big head person, but it was nice. What else do I have to say? They're very nice. Like, they send you emails to check up and stuff like that, so that is very great. I really like companies that are like that. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this hair. I look good. I look good. The back is kind of like a, I don't know how to explain it, but it goes like this. It does this weird like swoop thing, and I really like that. I wish I had bobby pins to kind of just pin it and do like a cute little hairstyle with it, but that's okay. We're still cute, sis. So yeah, that's all I have to say. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.